Ramy, I have a good feeling about this year. We will be happy. We will be perfect.
I love this country!
This September will be your best school year ever.
Okay, it's not a good time to be at the airport when you look like us.
Okay, class, today we're going to be studying a new subject. Terrorism. This will replace math. You hate math!
Terrible month, ya Ramy. Look where you are on the cousin leaderboard. Be more like Kareem, then maybe we get you new clothes every year.
Hey, folks, I'm Dan, your new neighbor. Hello, FBI.
Investigation!
Why are we worried? We didn't commit any crimes.
This is a time for us to be ourselves.
Being ourselves will get us in a Supermax prison for life.
Being yourself in public is a very white thing to be able to do. You need to learn how to code switch ASAP.
Shame those vicious kebabbers killing our people.
Totally knew you were one of the good ones.
USA, USA, hello everybody, USA. We must work harder at being like them. Tonight, we wear shoes in the house. These will never leave my feet again.
None of us know what we're doing. We're all insecure and scared all the time. But I think it's just about showing compassion.
That's so boring, I want to die even more than I already do.
Grandma, I thought you didn't know how to drive. Let's do it. We will change everything about who we are to fit in. We are #1 happy family USA.